All right, I'm here with
Findlay.
Rubber Duck Day. Talk to me about it. There's this thing called maintenance. What is maintenance? What are the maintenance aspects of it?
So in maintenance, we have groups of 5 or 6, or even a little bit of 7. There's 8 groups, and there's 8 different jobs around the school.
Okay.
So my job is refreshing my website. So I'm adding this.
Yeah.
This is the book I read last week.
Okay.
And now I'm adding it onto my website. And I'm also adding so I add all the my new buttons I'm working on.
Yeah.
So these are all the buttons I finished.
Okay.
This is the rubber duck part of it. It's a lot of coding.
Yeah.
And rubber ducking means to explain your code to something. So it's all about problem solving and coding. So
Hang on a second. I got to. Sorry to interrupt you, but now I get it. So by explaining it to the imaginary rubber duck, that helps you understand it more.
See if we have any problems in our coding.
Okay. Well, thank you for explaining that to me. That's. And has that worked for you?
Yes, a little bit. It's yeah, kind of.
Yeah. Oh, very good. Tell me something about. It's a very, very different approach to learning, and you do this for the full day on Wednesday,
Yes,
don't you?
on Wednesdays we do it for the full day. So we have there's also learning aspects of Rubber Duck Day.
Oh, I'm sure there are. What are those learning? Because it's not like traditional. Here's your language. Here's your math. What do you learn?
There's a lot of coding, and we have to learn collaboration.
Okay.
Because we have work together in groups. We have a lot of responsibilities. Some groups right now are going to get recycling from around the schools.
Yeah.
Around the school, and some groups have to make a presentation about a topic.
Okay.
That Miss Ma and Mr. Osum give. There's a lot of sometimes there's independent work. Sometimes you have to problem solve working by yourself on the buttons that we have.
Yeah.
We have community outreach, so she's doing the recycling. We have conferencing with Miss Ma is what I'm doing. So you refresh.
Yeah.
Refresh your website.
Yeah.
Then you go to Miss Ma and she asks you, how is your buttons going on right now? What are you going to work on? What are you going to work on next?
Okay.
So
it's very structured as well.
Yeah, she's just making sure, and it's very, very well organized. It's honestly quite crazy how organized it is.
That's fine.
There's so many different things, and so it's exciting. It's super exciting. And on your birthdays, we have the boxes.
Okay.
You have a poker chip and put it down in the little thingy over there.
Yeah.
And then you get a box and you have to do a task on your birthday. It's really, really fun.
That's fantastic. Findlay, normally when you go into a classroom, you don't really have a lot of choice over what you're going to do. You know, you're going to go do fractions or you're going to go do sentences.
Yeah.
You get a lot of choice here.
So on Wednesdays, you have a lot of different choices. So once you're done your maintenance, that's not really a choice. You have to do that.
Yeah.
Once you're done that, you have choices of different buttons. These are the buttons I've got. I've got Wii Video Level 1.
Yeah.
Sphero Level 1.
Okay.
Halloween button.
Yeah.
Boot Camp button. Canva and Scratch Level 1. And then the Holiday button.
Okay. And so they're all... I guess you have a lot of buttons that you can choose from. And these are the ones that you were interested in.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
why is that choice important in terms of your learning?
So different buttons, you have to learn different things. So some buttons are coding, like the Sphero's coding, and the Scratch is coding, and some of them are just, I guess, just learning how to record and make movies. So we're learning coding, so in case you want to do a job with coding involved, and then with a job with including videos, and all the other buttons and all the others.
Great. Why is having that choice important to you?
I guess it just makes it funner because you don't have to do one job. You get to do a bunch of different jobs.
Okay.
And if you're on one button, you have to wait until you're done that button until you start another button.
Okay. That's fantastic. Thank you so much.